Also, this is the slime machine. There's the battery type. 3 batteries L1154F. Batteries, 11 of those in there. And when you measure your pressure, you push a couple of buttons here. Where's PSI? Here, PSI. No? Now it shows 0, but look at that. A minute ago it showed low battery, so I think it's low battery. Temperature-wise, oh no, not good really. And there's like a small little Phillips in there. I don't know if I have the right tool for this. This feels a little loose. Let's do one bigger. This one here. Feels a little better. I'm not sure if the biggest fits in here. No, it does not. So then we have to open this up like this, I guess. That is open. This is open. I imagine that you have to take the whole thing apart. And looking at this now, you think this is like a screw or no, it's not. I don't know. So let's see if this opens now. Looks like here we can open. Oh, like look. Here, oh, look. Oh, there we go. Look at this. That's how it looks like inside. It's like nuts, right? Okay, so here, look at this. There's this connector, then a hose in here that is kinked in there to get the pressure out into the pressure sensor. This is the button here to push on off and stuff. And then, but those batteries are soldered on? No, this is just the thing in between. Look at this. What the heck is this? So why? This is LED plus. So this is for the LED and this is for measuring the... This is so complicated. Look at that. So they use the battery. Those two here for the pressure circuit. And this one is just for the LED to turn on and off. Is that nuts? So, okay, so we have to take them out and then find new ones. It's crazy. And then here, this is, oh, here, like, this is like weird, right? You have to get in there to pull it out. Is it coming out like this? It's important also to remember where ground and power is. It says 1154F here. 2 of those. And then this one here, the brown one, is for the LED. Nuts, huh? Look at that. Now, this one was for the LED, and this is the one for the two, for the circuit. And then we get a multimeter out and measure. I don't know if you can read this. I'm gonna try. This one has 1.288, 1.29, 1.38. So, okay. So 1.38 is not too bad for the LED. But this one, 1.3. So 1.3 is not bad. It's not enough to say low battery. Let's see if I have new batteries. Oh, of course, I don't have the right battery. I have an LR44. That is a different chemistry, and it has different voltage. Okay, so, but I'm going to take 3 of those. I don't know how old they are. No idea. They look very old. but we're going to figure this out. So did I say now that we memorize what way it goes in? Ground is on the bottom. Okay, so then it goes in here like this, and here like this, and here like this, and like that here. Oh, come on in. Come on in. So we have the light on. The display shows. That should do the trick. Then we have to put the cover back on. Also shows us that we should not get this thing in water or anything. Goes in here. Goes in there. And as always, you can see on the top of the screws, you look here how it's worn out or not, if the person that was in here before had the correct screwdriver or not. Here. There's another one here. You see that this fits perfect and the screwdriver, right? Very important. And you can also see that on this label here, that this was not used often. PSI, okay. No. So it's working. They're turned off. Very good. All right. Good. So those batteries go into recycling. And with a third, we saved this slime tire pressure monitor. And we can go back in the car and check the pressure. Because you can see inside of it.